Good afternoon. I'm Melissa from Echo Consulting, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the Smartsheet Miro integration, two of our favorite tools. Many teams start with a whiteboarding brainstorming session as a way to collaborate, but it can be a challenge to execute on the ideas that have come about in the session in an organized fashion and understand what the next step should be and who owns them. The Miro Smartsheet integration allows you to convert brainstorming sessions in Miro into structured project plans in Smartsheet and vice versa with two-way sync that both save time and ensure that work is updated across both tools. The integration allows you to not only convert sticky notes in Miro to rows in new and existing sheets within Smartsheet, but also import rows from Smartsheet into the Miro board as cards. I'm going to be reviewing those features today. To start, I'll show you how to import rows from Smartsheet into Miro as cards. So you're going to want to go to your tools and search for the Smartsheet tool. Now I've already connected this app. For the first time, you're going to need to add it and give it permission as well as log in. From there, I'm just going to scroll over to choose from Smartsheet. And then it's going to ask me to select my workplace and the sheet within the workplace. From there, I'll be able to either select the rows that I would like imported, or I can just select all and choose to import them. You'll now see that my rows from Smartsheet are cards in Miro that then we can collaborate and move around throughout our brainstorming session. I can also import my cards from Miro into Smartsheet as rows as well by going to that same Smartsheet app. And leave it on Convert from Miro. And then I'm just going to select some sticky notes and choose my workplace. Select my sheet and convert to Smartsheet rows. You'll see that they also pop up now as Smartsheet cards, just like our other ones did as well. A really cool feature that I want to highlight is that once you convert them, the rows that have been imported will update. If you make any updates in Miro or in Smartsheet, it'll be reflected in the other tool. So for example, if I go back to my list in Smartsheet, I'm now going to see my cards from Miro. And I can go up to this one and say test, and save it. And then go back here, and I'm just going to refresh for a second to have it update. And you'll now see that that card is updated with our test to see that it reflects in both. This is really helpful if you have kind of a larger brainstorming session like annual planning or something like that, where you're going to be revisiting the same board multiple times, but also trying to take those strategies and ideas and execute upon them and put them in Smartsheet with a lot of different participants to make sure that it's updated in both places. So that was a brief overview of the Miro Smartsheet integration. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe below for more content related to Smartsheet and Miro. And there's also links to our Echo website, socials, and you can schedule a free consultations with one of the Echo team members.